안녕하세요, 여러분.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 오늘은
자,
뮤지엄 we go.
우리는 오늘 차 박물관 갈 겁니다. 갈 거예요.
네. 차 뮤지엄
가.
우리 차 뮤지엄
가.
How's my Korean going? Today we're going to the car museum in Whiteman Park. It's about 35 to 40 minutes from the city drive away.
We're gonna go there and we're gonna go see how it is.
We went past it when we went to Whiteman Park. We'll add the video here, which you can watch after this video. And that was really fun. That's a really nice place to go for a day.
That's also high, recommendable place.
Yeah,
And
I'm going to show you once we get there. 알았어?
알았어. 가자.
Cha. Oh yeah. We're here. If you see that big old little guy, big old little guy, that doesn't make sense. There's a lolly shop. I want to go there. Oh. Beautiful singing. Oh, no. We've just arrived. So let's go check out the motor museum. Actually, also, I don't care for cars at all. I have no interest. So this will be a good test to see if it's good for dates as someone who does not care for cars and someone who does care for cars.
I like cars. I like old cars.
He likes old cars. He appreciates them. I do not care though. So let's see if it's good for dates or just send your partner there that likes cars. 괜찮아? You already have cars in the front part where you park too. We've had to take a little stop because I forgot to get Seong to zip my dress up before we left. But look, actually, you might not have seen these because a lot of our viewers are from Korea or other countries, not Australia. Australian road signs. Your roundabout one, your stop sign, your giveaways, traffic light, red light, how street signs look.
Looks very big.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce. 1970.
Oh, yeah.
It's same with my mom.
It's young. It's a young car.
young
It's a young car. This is really your element, isn't it? Because it's old cars. These are kind of things that Seong likes, is old cars. What did you say just then about the cars?
Old cars is better than actually modern cars. Design.
I want to know your thoughts on that.
Car looks like from like a future, like a space.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, whereas these are like classics. So do you prefer classic cars or modern?
Modern car.
You just said classic.
Classic car, but
Judging
I
that.
like the people like those kind of car. It looks.
Let me show you. You don't like these ones?
It looks.
These are like classic.
It's classic, but.
Okay, well let's continue on this side and we'll go around and we'll show. Look and admire, but please don't touch. Oh, Eggy-cha. It's so small, stand next to it. Samsung, Korean brand. It is, right?
It is, of course.
Don't say it like that. How would I know? I'm just a girl.
No. Cut this one. How come you don't know Samsung?
I'm not cutting it. I'm keeping that in because I don't know, and it's okay to not know things.
I feel like I can lift it up.
I feel like you could too. It's so small, like even next to me. I'm not that smaller than you actually, but it's like Because it's a Saturday that we're filming.
Because this is Saturday.
Are you mocking me?
Are you mocking me?
안녕하세요. 이름이 뭐예요?
Look at this big giant taxi.
Yeah, look at this compared to the other car. My hips.
Even though this is taxi, but I don't know. If you see this one in real, it looks just huge.
It's massive. Well, you can tell how big it is when you compare it to the other car.
But this car, the driver's seat is left side.
Oh, 맞아. New York.
Oh, this is from New York?
Oh no, NYC taxi.
NYC.
This one, themes.
Huh? This is for kids?
Little pink one. Look at this. Oh, joy.
어머.
I haven't seen this one.
But look at the watch.
Oh,
Look at the watch.
okay. Showing off Boston.
1945. Chevy. Whoa.
I wouldn't mind if you came and picked me up in that truck. Food truck. Food.
Food truck? Why are you saying food truck?
I'm hungry. I love the smells. Look at this, fire engine.
Amazing. 1967.
I'm so happy we've improved with our mirrors. I was just saying to Seong that I wish they had the prices of these because it's interesting to see like what it actually cost back then as well. And then I just turned 6,680
Whoa.
for this Holden Gemini.
Oh, I like this kind of car. This kind of type. GT. 예쁘다.
예뻐 아니 아니야 it's not 예뻐. What do you guys think? You don't even smoke. No, okay, no, don't do it. You do not smoke. Stop it. Cut it out. I'm genuinely confused because apparently we have driverless car by RAC, but I didn't even know we had this. Is this really a thing? I've never seen it.
So uncomfortable.
Yeah, it does actually,
Seats.
doesn't it? It looks like a saxophone.
Food.
You say wood so cutely. Wood.
Food.
Say wood.
Food.
No, try say it normally.
Food.
So cute. Wood. Wood.
Wood.
Yeah.
Wood.
Yeah, yes. Better.
Wood.
Okay. I'm getting bored.
You getting bored?
Actually, I want to check out that thing.
Hey, you want to get some beer?
Oh, yeah, mate. I'm
Okay.
going to have a couple of smokos.
Hey, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Can I get a wild pack of Ziggy?
Wow. I feel like this guy looking at me.
Oh, yeah, it does.
And then he cut his finger.
어머, 어떡해. 괜찮아? Why are you staring so hard? My food postcards.
I think Jin will like this one. Jin.
Park here. Yeah, Jin. Hi, Jin. But it is very interesting, like seeing, like this was before my dad was born, right? My family. That it's really not that long ago, but the evolution, the change in cars, is really where it's interesting. 1939. Oh my God, cute. But that's where it's quite interesting for me, as a I don't care for cars person. Oh, now do you know that there's a building at the other side too of more cars?
True.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
Wow. Great posing. The man that works here just saw him do that. This would be my car in the past.
You drive.
Hello. Hello, dear. I've arrived. I'm quite parched. Will you fetch me a tea? Australia. Staya. That's him calling me. At least I can say that song's enjoying it, so that makes it more fun as well. There's more. Oh, no. This is the real deal. Yes.
I like this kind of car more.
The colour. That's mine. I like the colour.
Yeah, that's the color looks very good.
This is the colour that I used to want when I was like 14.
Ooh, E24.
This WRX, that is another car that I wanted when I was like 16. WRX. Actually, Skyline and WRX were the ones that I wanted when I was like young teen.
Yeah, that's popular.
Now, I want a little mum car.
I want this
Nope.
E24.
We ended up being there for just under an hour, exactly. What do you think? Do you think it was worth it?
Yeah, I mean, because I like car, you can see so many old cars. So I think it's good. And if you like F1 car, there's an F1 car too. F1 pace car, motorbike, everything. And then the Japanese car. So if you have a RAC card, you can get discount. So you only need to pay $15. The normal price I think is $16.
$16.50.
So for two of us, we only spent $30 because we have RAC card. So in the weekend, you guys have nothing to do. Then come and see. And then just right next to it, there's a Capuchin Wildlife Park, so you can pet kangaroo, feed them. You can also see reptile.
And there's a lolly store.
Dingoes, so many animals.
Worth a day trip. It's not
It's
that
only
far.
it's only 30 minutes from the city, so not that far.
Recommend it.
Recommend it.
He doesn't have a sweet tooth. Not like me. What did we get?
Saxibon vanilla slice.
Matcha.
맛있다. 맛있어.
괜찮아. 맞아?
Yeah. So many everywhere. It's animal pips.
So that's why you like Perth.
Yeah, it's
You can see wildlife
we live in nature.
Matcha.
Yeah.
Matcha. That's true. It is quite nice.
I like Perth. Perth is the best.
He's saying that because he just came back from Sydney and he was very pro-Sydney. But after that trip, he realises how nice Perth is. But I think he's just getting old, and I think now that he's with me and is settling down a little bit, Perth is more of like a family-friendly, nice, calm environment compared to Sydney. So I think that's why he likes it. Did we walk through all this poo? We don't have ingredients. Do we go to the shops and make burgers? Go shop ingredients for burgers? I love all sauces. We'll need to get barbecue. I do all the sauce. I'm a sauce burger girl. I love sauce. We're gonna go to the shops and get ingredients to make homemade burgers, and then we're gonna go have homemade burgers at home.
You gonna cook burger for me? We gonna cook burger for us. Yes.
We just got home. Burger buns, jalapeno, tomato, and barbecue sauce. This is the best barbecue sauce. And kind of lazy, we got the pre-made one. And some sausages for later. We already have lettuce, cheese, sauces, all that stuff here. All finished. We've got pickles, lettuce, cheese, the beef, tomato, onion, jalapenos, and 3 sauces: ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce. I think that's it. That's it. Yeah.
I like the sauce.
Good.
응?
Cooked it well.
맛있다.
좋아?
예쁜 말로 위로해 Don't be fooled
맛있지?
You cooked the patty really well. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment and let us know what you think of the museum.
맛있다.
응,
진짜 맛있다.
네.
고마워.
잠시만.
Good job. Wait. Why something on my lips?
Did that go on your lip?
Yeah. What is that?
Some bread.
Rock, scissors, paper. Winner, make coffee. Loser, do dishes.
알았어.
예쁜